Hey, tech enthusiasts! Have you ever wondered why data science and AI are the talk of the town these days? Well, let's dive right in. First off, the demand for data scientists and AI experts is skyrocketing. Companies across the globe are realizing the immense value hidden in their data. They need skilled professionals to uncover insights, predict trends, and make data-driven decisions. And guess what? That's where you come in. Now, what makes these fields so appealing? Let's start with the salaries. Data scientists and AI specialists are among the highest paid professionals today. Plus, the work is super exciting and incredibly rewarding. Imagine creating algorithms that can predict market trends or developing AI systems that can diagnose diseases. The possibilities are endless. But what do you need to get started? Here's a quick rundown of the essential tools and skills. 1. Python and R are your best friends. They're versatile and widely used in the industry. 1. Get familiar with TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Scikit-learn. These libraries will help you build and deploy powerful models. 1. Master tools like Pandas and NumPy for handling and analyzing data. 2. Tools like Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Tableau will help you present your findings clearly and effectively. 3. Learn about Hadoop and Spark. They allow you to process and analyze massive datasets efficiently. And don't forget soft skills. Communication, problem-solving, and creativity are crucial to stand out in this field. So why wait? Start learning today, and join the revolution that's shaping the future. Remember, the world needs more data scientists and AI experts, and you could be one of them. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Catch you in the next one.